today I want to test the CUAV Airlink 4G module. It's pretty much just take off around, loiter around, and see how the communication reacts. Currently, I have good signal from the module, of course, and it's just a basic takeoff, loiter unlimited, and then land after all the checks is completed. So the good part about it is that the 4G module is quite lightweight, and the fact that you can get unlimited range because you are working on the internet. But that's, however, if you're flying in the regions where the 4G module is available, like your 4G network or any of your network provider that has 4G network. But the limiting side is that the CUAV LTE has a limited bands of 4G that it can work with. Mostly, majority of the band that doesn't work with it are mostly available in the US. So it's pretty much almost completely useless for you to use this module if you're in the US or in countries that doesn't support the module. So that's pretty much it. We'll be taking off shortly. Who stayed that please, Aveg? I thought I should go down. Takeoff was completely good. The aircraft was flying very well. The error compass variance on the screen is as a result of magnetic interference within the area, while everything else was okay. After passing waypoint 2, the aircraft lost telemetry completely. I waited severally to try and regain, but it couldn't reconnect back to the mission planner. So I decided to land the aircraft after this, and I came to find out that the SIM that I installed inside the module didn't have a data subscription, or perhaps it ran out of data subscription. So I landed and then I tried a different SIM. I went to recover the aircraft from where I landed it, and the aircraft is in good condition. I was checking the module here to make sure it's connected to the internet, but however, that wasn't the case. So I was suspecting whether it was the poor network in the area, so I decided to try a different SIM card from a different network provider.
I was I the one now.
It's because I'm holding this RC. The second flight went well. As you can see on the screen again, error compass variance at takeoff. This has to do with magnetic interference within the area. And in this flight, I only had a couple of no telemetry data, but I was able to maintain telemetry most of the time during these flights. And if you're looking to buy the CUAV Airlink module, you need to know the pros and cons. The pros are it's easy to install, it's lightweight, and it works well within an area of strong reception. And lastly, it has unlimited range. As you can see from earlier in the video, how small the CUAV Airlink module is.
but it only supports telemetry data. It doesn't support video data. And the cons is that it doesn't work well in areas of bad network. It doesn't support all 4G frequency band. If you're looking to purchase this, you need to make sure that you have the available 4G band in your country before making a purchase. So if you're still watching this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So once the aircraft was in the last waypoint, which is a loiter mode, I just allowed it to loiter for some while. Just observe the connectivity and the telemetry rates. And as you can see, I'm already 19 minutes into the flight, so it's time to land.
I miss the grass.
The CUAV or the CUAV Airlink 4G module test was a success, and I believe that the test could be better with a stronger network reception. This module is also suited for a multi-rotor platform. Make sure you check it out if you're interested in it. If you made it this far to the end of the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.
All done. Good flight. I'm pretty happy with everything. So far, so good. Although the last landing was a bit rough because of the uneven surfaces on the ground. But all in all, everything seems to be in good shape. Let's go home.